You want to support Roland Martin Unfiltered? Be sure to join our Bring the Funk fan club. Every dollar that you give to us supports our daily digital show. There's only one daily digital show out here that keeps it black and keep it real as Roland Martin Unfiltered. By going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com, you can make this possible. Yesterday's 5th anniversary of his death. The Department of Justice chose not to file civil rights charges. There was a rally yesterday in New York. Of course, Gwen Carr, the mother of Eric Garner, she was attending. That's why she didn't join us yesterday. She joins us right now. Gwen, first of all, thank you for holding on. I know you were patient, but we had to unpack all of that stuff. This is the end of the road, if you will. We're just simply waiting for the administrative judge to decide whether or not this officer is going to lose his job. What's next for you and your family when it comes to seeking justice?
Well, we're going to still be out there. It doesn't matter because the Justice Department, they talk about a statute of limitations ran out in 5 years. But actually, there is no statute of limitations for death. That's what for murder. And it doesn't end with this administration. We won't have this administration forever, and we can always go to another administration and, ask for it to be looked at. It could be revisited.
This is, obviously, when that decision came down, first of all, were you expecting them to do nothing? Or were you hopeful they were actually going to listen to the department, the Civil Rights Division?
Well, with this administration, I wasn't surprised. I was just disappointed. Because we still live in a country called America. And there should be justice where justice is due. And, we didn't get any accountability from the police officer. And not only Pantaleo, there was others who should have been fired also. But they did nothing but turn their heads. And the only ones that went to jail was Ramsey Otto, the one who took the video. The only person who's in jail.
Again, New York has dragged their feet. They have not moved on this officer. Finally, we're waiting to hear from this judge. And I think we got to call out the city leadership in New York. The fact that this guy has been on the job, getting raises, getting more than 6-figure salary for 5 years after he killed your son.
Yes, a raise every year, padding the payroll, padding the pension, because he wasn't even vested when he murdered my son. But now he's vested, he's making overtime. See, they're preparing him so if he does lose his job, he's still set for life.
Gwen Carr, it's always good to talk to you. We're going to keep standing with you and demanding justice.
Thank you.
Gwen, I appreciate it. Thank you so very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, folks, back to our Roland Martin Unfiltered video in just one moment. All right, folks, Roland Martin here. They are back. The folks with marijuanastock.org, of course. You might remember just a few months ago, of course, many of you had the opportunity to invest in their last crowdfunding campaign. They raised a ton of money in just a few months investing in legal marijuana farms. Those initial investors now own shares of a publicly traded company. Now they have a new investment opportunity that is as good, if not even better, than the last one. I'm talking about industrial hemp CBD. For those who don't know, the hemp plant is the cousin to marijuana with a much higher concentration of CBD, which means hemp CBD gives you all of the medical benefits of marijuana without getting you high. Until recently, hemp farming was practically illegal in the U.S. and heavily regulated by the DEA. However, the 2018 Farm Bill changed all of that, making it legal to grow hemp CBD in the U.S., creating one of the largest commodities worldwide. They need land to grow all of the plants, which makes for an incredible investment opportunity. And that's where our good friends at 420 Real Estate come in. Their business model, folks, is simple. They buy land that supports hemp CBD grow operations and lease it to licensed high-paying tenants. They are hemp CBD landlords, and you can get in on the action. You can invest in this crowdfunding campaign for as little as $200 up to $10,000. All right, for you to invest, go to marijuanastock.org. That's marijuanastock.org to get in the game. Now back to your Roland Martin Unfiltered video.